Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play JP in Street Fighter 6. JP is a master of long-range combat, using his unique abilities to control the battlefield. He's a character who thrives on keeping opponents at a distance, utilizing spectral portals and powerful projectiles. Mastering his resource management, especially his Triglav charges, is absolutely essential for unleashing his full potential and dominating your matches. Let's dive into JP's key special moves. Amnesia is a fantastic defensive tool, absorbing a single hit and delivering a powerful counter. Tourbalan is your Goda for launching opponents into the air, setting up devastating combos. Embrace offers a command grab, perfect for breaking through defenses. And Departure, his portal creation, is fundamental for controlling space and launching projectiles from unexpected angles. Effective zoning is JP's bread and butter. Utilize your departure portals to create a web of projectiles, limiting your opponent's options. Vary the speed and angle of your projectiles to keep them guessing. Once you've established control, look for opportunities to land Tourbalan, leading into high-damage combos. Don't forget to mix in Embrace command grabs, especially after a knockdown, to maintain relentless pressure. For advanced JP play, focus on refining your combo execution. Practice canceling your normal attacks into special moves to extend your damage. Learning optimal combos, especially those involving Drive Rush, will significantly boost your offensive capabilities. Drive Rush is also excellent for closing distances and continuing pressure. Finally, master his 3 super arts. They are incredibly powerful tools for turning the tide of any match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.